Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again to Forex Clubhouse. In today's video, I'm going to show you through a live trading example on how you can trade pullbacks perfectly. If this sounds interesting to you, then I would recommend that you watch this video to the very end. Ladies and gentlemen, let me just first thank you for not leaving this video just yet. It shows how committed you are and how badly you want to achieve that main goal called the financial freedom, and that it is so good. Keep it up. So today's pair will be Volatility 100 index, and as usual, before taking up any trade, and here I mean the first thing that you have to do once you open up your charts is you have to know to which trend the market price is currently at. Since this statement is very important, please allow me to repeat it one more time to insist on it. And here it goes. You have to know to which trend the market price is currently at. But as you can see on the screen, the market just shows me that it is on uptrend. Should we look for buys just so because only one time frame says so? Well, the answer to that question is a big no. So what we are going to do for this case is we are going to do a thing called a top-down analysis. If you are very new to this term, top-down analysis, then let me just explain it to you. Top-down analysis just means that we are going to start our very first analysis from a way much higher time frame to a lower time frame. But for my case, the highest time frame is a daily time frame and the lowest one is the 1 hour time frame. I don't go below that. So let me shift to the daily time frame so as to get the overall market bias, and this is what the daily time frame shows. First, it shows that the market was initially on a downtrend. Yes. Secondly, it shows that the market right now is on start of an uptrend, and that should be enough to give you a shift of mindset that right now what you should be looking for is buy entries, period. Now a simple question to you: what factors you think did make me to conclude that this downtrend is over? Please take some time to think through this question and kindly give me your answer in the comment section, and I will reply to you as fast as I can. Extra hint. Let me just give you a simple hint. There is a reversal pattern. Now, since I have already simplified this for you, what you have to do right now is for you to tell me what this pattern is in the comment section. And the so-called pattern's neckline has already been broken, and we know for sure that the market will soon have to retest to the broken level, right? Now here comes that interesting part of this video, and that part is of me showing you how to trade pullbacks as promised. So what we do now is we go to the lower time frame, which for now is a 4-hour time frame. Yes, and the main reason as why we are going to this time frame is to see if the market will give us some kind of message that would tell us that the impulsive move that broke this pattern's neckline is soon going to be over. Did you get that? If it is a yes, then good for you. Now on this 4-hour time frame, looking with clear eyes and closely at the charts, I see some kind of a very important reversal candlestick pattern. Would you mind also telling me in the comment section what do you think this reversal candlestick pattern is? Well, ladies and gentlemen, to save up some time, let me just answer that for you. The above candlestick that you are seeing on the screen is a doji candlestick, and as you are aware, the doji candlestick is one of the most important reversal candlestick patterns, very important and very powerful, especially if it occurs on 4H time frame. So you can see that the above candlestick It is not the same as the one that you usually find in your books. But let me tell you a simple secret. If you are to be in this industry for a long time, then you would need to know one thing, that the market is not perfect. Okay? Hence, what you need to have is that skill of being able to read between the lines. And what lines are those? First, the pattern's neckline has been broken. How did it break? It broke impulsively. And we know if the trend is about to form, the market always moves in a series of highs and lows. Okay, now we broke the pattern's neckline impulsively. We need to form a low before going up. Okay, and the reversal candlestick pattern just confirmed it to us that this impulsive move, it is over right now. And what you need to do is to be able to tell pullbacks, as it will retest to the broken level to form a low before going to its initial direction. And so, ladies and gentlemen, since all of my conferences have been met, I enter my trades right away and with a stop loss placed just slightly above the doji candlestick wick, or as some would like to call it, a tail. But first, be assured that these names do not matter at all. You can decide to call whatever you like. You can decide to call it whatever you like. You can call it even your auntie's name. It doesn't matter. But what's important is for you to be able to know what exactly they mean once they occur on your screen. Ladies and gentlemen, before we proceed and see how this trade play out, let me make this known to you that I do conduct a one-to-one new mentorship program each and every month. Now, if you have been struggling to make consistent profits for some time now in Forex industry, then this is your only chance to say bye to losses, as in this program you'll get to learn my secret, let me call it an XXX strategy in and out. And believe me or not, this strategy has changed my lives. And once the classes are over, you'll get to be added to a lifetime group of like-minded people who share the same goals and vision just like you. Now, if you want to know any more further details regarding the mentorship programs or the signal services that I provide, please check my WhatsApp number that can be found in the description below. Ladies and gentlemen, I truly hope that you have both enjoyed and learned a lot from this video. Please take this time to hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell icon on to be the first to view any of my future uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.